Putre pa ang hanap niyo sa Binondo? Tara, samahan niyo ako. First up, Hintonian Foods. Meron silang mooncake, fried buns, at jumbo siomai. We tried one fried bun and a jumbo siomai. Kasi sino ba namang hindi mag-try nito, di ba? Ang laki, sulit na sulit. Next is itong sa tapat ng Veggie Select Food Service, which is pinipilahan talaga. Meron silang 3 klase ng grilled food. Meron din silang pork buns and xiaolong bao. First, we tried this grilled food, which is 3 for 120 pesos already.
Tokoy isa.
Kung nauuhaw ka na, katabi lang nito is yung sugarcane juice. Perfect na perfect panulak sa mga kinain na street food, diba? Dahil nasa Binondo ko na, syempre huwag mong lalagpasan tong Lord's Toast Bakery, which is perfect sa kanilang egg tart, which is super sarap. Kaya must try talaga, guys.